In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Apple ID password. It's important to note that you cannot directly check your Apple ID password in your iPhone settings. This is because Apple keeps your password hidden for security reasons. However, if you have previously saved your password in the Passwords app or iCloud keychain, there is a way to view it. This method ensures that your sensitive information remains protected while allowing you access to your password if needed. First, let's open the Passwords app. You will find this app on your iPhone. It typically has an icon that looks like a key. Once you tap on it, you may be prompted to unlock it using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This step is vital because it ensures that only you can access your stored passwords. After unlocking, you'll see a list of saved passwords. This is where the real work begins, as you will be able to search for your Apple ID details. Now, let's search for your Apple ID password. Tap on the option that says All to view all saved passwords. Here you can search for entries related to apple.com, iCloud.com, or even your specific Apple ID email address. Typing in these details will help you quickly locate the relevant entry. This is important because it saves you time and makes it easier to find what you need without scrolling through numerous entries. After you find the matching entry, tap on it to see whether your password is saved. If your password is stored here, it will be displayed securely. You will see the password shown in a masked format, and you may need to tap a button to reveal it fully. This gives you an opportunity to confirm that you have the correct password saved. It's crucial to keep track of these details because they are essential for accessing your Apple services seamlessly. If you do not find an entry for your Apple ID, this usually means your password was never saved on the device. In this case, Apple does not provide another way to reveal your password. If you have forgotten your Apple ID password, you will need to reset it. This can be done easily, and it's a common situation that many users face. Do not worry. Resetting your password is straightforward and will allow you to regain access to your account. To reset your password on an iPhone that is already signed in, start by opening the Settings app. You can find the Settings icon, which looks like a gear. Once in Settings, tap your name at the top of the screen. This step is important because it takes you to your Apple ID settings where you can manage your account details. Next, tap on Sign In and Security. In this section, you can manage all aspects of your Apple ID. Here, you will see the option to change password. Tap on it to begin the password reset process. Follow the on-screen instructions that appear. These steps usually involve entering your current password and then creating a new one. This ensures that your account remains secure while you regain access. Lastly, if you only need to confirm which email address is associated with your Apple account, go back to Settings. Go to Your Name and then tap Sign In and Security. Here you will see the email address linked to your Apple ID, allowing you to verify it quickly. This small step is essential for keeping your account secure. Knowing your associated email can prevent issues with account recovery in the future. Now you're set with the knowledge to manage your Apple ID password effectively.